Cut clips from video with Vidyo AI. You may want to convert a long video into several short videos and publish them as short YouTube videos, or even videos on other platforms, such as TikTok, Instagram, etc. This is easily possible with Vidyo AI, and it will automatically do it for you. To use this AI, you must first create an account. I put the link you need in the description. Then, click on this green Get Started option. Now, click on the Google option in this page. With this, your account will be created very quickly with the help of your Gmail. Then, you will be transferred to this section. This is the main page of this AI. As you can see, it is very simple and not complicated at all. Now, you either have a video on your system, or you have a video like that already uploaded to YouTube. Well, if you have a video file in the system, click on this option and upload your file. And if, like me, you have a link from a YouTube video, click on this option to enter your link. You have to paste the link in this section. This is the URL of my video that I already copied here. And now, click on this option. The video is being imported. Now, it will ask you in what size and for what platform you want to make the video. As you can see, it displays 3 different ratios, and under each one shows which platform this video is suitable for with this ratio and size. Now, choose any platform you want. Now, on the next page, it will show you different templates from which you should choose at least 3. You can choose any one you like, but in the last step, you can still change your template, so you don't need to be too sensitive about this, unless you don't want to change it again. Now I choose 3 of these templates and continue. On this page, it tells you that you can personalize your video. What does it mean? It means that, for example, on the video, you can write the ID related to Instagram, or the name of your Telegram channel, or the ID of your other social networks. For this, you can enter the ID of any social network in the boxes located here. I write the name of my YouTube channel in these boxes and continue. Now, here click on Go to Dashboard option. As you can see, your video is uploading here. Depends on your video length, this will take more or less to upload completely. And now, this is uploaded here. Click on this option, and boom. Here, he told us that he was able to make 7 short videos from this video and divided the video into 2 different chapters. I have nothing to do with the chapters now, but if you want, it can be accessed in the chapter section. All short videos created are displayed in this section. Next to each video is written how long that video is and what second it starts and in which second it ends. By clicking on any of these short videos, you can watch that video on the right side of the screen. If you click on any video, that video will be played for you. Each of the videos are prepared in different templates. Of course, you can still edit and personalize them. This is the chapter section that divides the video into 2 separate parts. This is done according to the concept of that video, and the number of chapters may be more in some videos according to the type of content. Now, I want to quickly show you what these options on the right side are. You have 4 options. The first option will show different templates again, and you can change the template of this video here. Please note that this template is only going to change on this one video and has nothing to do with other videos. Now, I want to quickly show you what these options on the right side are. Click on each one and it will be applied. And now, the second option writes the video script for you that you may need. The rest of the items are for when you have a Pro or Pro Plus plan that can provide you with AI description. Now click on this option to download and continue. First of all, if everything in the video is okay and you want to download it, click on the download option above and download it. But many people may want to have more edits on this video, which they can use the editor on the left and do different edits. For example, change the template again. Change the font color and style. You can add different objects to the video. For example, photos or other videos. And this is completely in accordance with the taste of different people. But anyway, all these editing tools are here so that you can personalize your video. Vidyo AI is really great. And besides saving time for us, it can generate a lot of short videos with very cool edits for us. I put the link in the description for you. Click and use the free credit it gives you for testing. And if you want to upgrade your plan to use more of its features, please like the video. Thank you guys.